Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush savannah, there lived a young girl named Lila and her adventurous brother, Leo. One sunny day, as they played near the waterhole, they discovered a lonely lion cub named Leo the Lionheart. Leo the Lionheart had lost his way while playing with his siblings. Feeling a bit scared, he approached Lila and Leo. The siblings, with hearts full of kindness, welcomed Leo into their circle of friends. Together, they embarked on exciting adventures through the vast grasslands. As they roamed the savannah, Leo the Lionheart shared stories of his family and the mighty Lion King who ruled the pride. Lila and Leo were fascinated, and Leo the Lionheart learned about the joys of friendship and laughter. One day, a mischievous group of monkeys stole Leo the Lionheart's favorite toy. Determined to help their newfound friend, Lila and Leo hatched a clever plan to retrieve the toy from the treetops. Cooperation and teamwork led them to success, and Leo the Lionheart was grateful for his brave friends. From that day forward, Leo the Lionheart, Lila, and Leo became the best of friends, exploring the savannah and learning valuable lessons about friendship, bravery, and the importance of helping others. The trio's laughter echoed through the grasslands, creating a harmonious melody of joy that could be heard by all the animals in the kingdom. And so, the unlikely friendship between a lion cub and two adventurous siblings filled the savannah with love and happiness for years to come.